Vítajte pri sledovaní pilotnej časti relácie Extrém. Dnes sa pozrieme na viacero bláznivých akcií. Jedna z nich sa konala aj v Liptovskom Mikuláši na divokej vode, ktoré brázdili slovenskí piráti. Boli sme si tiež zajazdiť na súťaži Straight Rhythm v Spojených štátoch, kde predviedli svoje zručnosti najmä bratia Stewartovci. Spoznali sme hokejový talent ruského pilota v Formuli 1, porozprávali sa s americkým skokanom Andym Jonesom o jeho netradičných zručnostiach a na Sicílii sme spoznali ľudí, ktorí na lane dokážu neskutočné veci. Sledujete reláciu Extrém. Motorky, skoky, súťaž, vlnitý povrch a chuť na víťazstvo. Takto vyzerali bojovníci na tohtoročnom Supercrosse Straight Rhythm 2015.
Here we go. Ryan Dungey against James Stewart. Two of the biggest names in the sport. Dungey gonna keep the bike low over the tabletops. He's not giving up. Can he get the backside of the table and come back? He does. Ryan Dungey beats James Stewart.
That's what I'm talking about, people. That was a race of champions.
Wheel to wheel. Dungey closes up. Here we go to the finish. James Stewart beats Ryan Dungey.
It's the fastest time that we've seen all day long.
Malcolm Stewart against Shane McElrath. And it is wheel to wheel. McElrath's close, but not close enough. Malcolm Stewart is going to win Straight Rhythm in the lights class. The finals in the open class. Ken Roczen against James Stewart. Who's faster? Battling it out, slight edge to Stewart.
Roczen making a comeback.
And right now, Roczen has the edge. Stewart, now it's side by side through the tabletops. Down the stretch they come. James Stewart comes out on top.
Right now, James Stewart is sitting in the catbird seat and still the man to beat.
Roczen gets out quick. Stewart responds. Roczen makes a mistake, and what has happened to Roczen?
James Stewart, unless he has a big crash, is going to walk away the Straight Rhythm champion.
James Stewart wins Straight Rhythm for the second year in a row. Here's Stewart going to celebrate.
I could have quit this year. I could have retired. I mean, there's not really a lot for me to prove in the record books, but besides, I love racing and I want to continue to get better. And I still feel like I got a lot left.
Najúspešnejšou dvojičkou boli bratia Stewartovci, ktorí skončili na pódiu. Z celkového víťazstva sa tešil James.
I mean, I'm overjoyed actually. You know, I didn't expect it. You know, I definitely didn't expect to come out here and win. There's more competition this year. You got the defending champion and champion before that with Roczen and Dungey, and didn't race all year. Basically coming off the couch, haven't really been preparing for this, and come out here and perform. It's awesome.
Napriek prehre bol spokojný aj Malcolm, ktorého brat porazil v semifinále. Nič si však nedarovali.
For me to come back and to win Red Bull Straight Rhythm was awesome, and more though, my brother was pushing me more than anything because he hasn't raced the whole entire season. So it was a good day for both of us, and I'm glad we both made history. So you'll definitely see both of us back here at the Red Bull Straight Rhythm again for next year.
V Amerike si kopec ľudí prišlo na svoje. Vy si vychutnajte jazvu Malcolma z prvej ruky. Poďme si ešte zrekapitulovať najzaujímavejšie body pretekov. Jedným z nich je súboj Stewarta a Rochena. Pamätným momentom je aj búračka Freezeho. Au. Ďalším momentom je súboj Nelsona s McElrathom, ktorý rozlúštila až cieľová fotografia. K nezabudnutelným momentom dňa patrí návrat Dangea po spackanom úvode. No a nakoniec to najkrajšie, čo v športe nemôžete zažiť často. Súrodenecká radosť. Sledujete reláciu Extrém. Ste rodený kapitán s veľkou dávkou kreativity a šialenstva? Takto ste nemohli chýbať medzi 30 účastníkov, ktorí v areáli vodných športov v Liptovskom Mikuláši predstavili svoje plavidlá.
Áno, prvá pláva, teda prvá pereja, alebo prvý válec preží, dostávajú sa ďalej, ešte nepadlujú, ale už sú v tom. Prežili to, princezné idú na svojom kráľovskom hrade hľadať si ženíchov.
Blázni sa válali vo vode, lode sa o skaly lámali a tak viac ako 6000 divákov sledovalo v daždivom počasí víťazstvo týmu Vajka na chlebu, na ktorý chrbát sa pozeralo mužstvo zezadu a na 3. mieste doplávali veselí záhradkári v akcii. Sledujete reláciu Extrém. Ruský pretekár Formuly 1 Daniel Kviat ešte nemá medailu z olympiády. Pochopil, že najrýchlejšia cesta k nej vedie cez hokej. Na štadióne v Soči predviedol svoje schopnosti na ľade. Že by postrach pre brankárov? Uvidíme. Sledujete reláciu Extrém.
I'm Andy Jones. I'm 30 years old. I'm from the USA.
When he's not diving from almost 3 times the Olympic height, the California-based diver is seen with a camera around his neck.
Like right now I'm diving. I can't dive forever. So then there's got to be something after that, and maybe that's film work. something in the film industry, whether it's editing or producing or being a videographer.
3 top 6 results in the previous comps.
Being consistent right now is super important, and my consistency comes from just the numbers that I've put in high diving. Long time with Cirque du Soleil, thousands of high dives from lower height, but it's kind of the same idea. Just gives you a better sense of your line through the water.
His first World Series podium finish in Portugal this year proves he's a pretty good cliff diver. At 1.82 meters, Andy Jones is the second tallest diver on tour.
Being tall has advantages and disadvantages. One of the disadvantages for me is I don't spin as fast as the other guys or some of the other guys. But at the same time, that's an advantage because it's easier to know where I am in the air because I'm not spinning so fast.
Some call him the master of aerial awareness. He sees himself as a person who can never sit still, unless he's in front of his computer screen editing the latest episode of his web series, USA Cliff Diving.
Okay, cut.
Sledujete reláciu Extrém. Sicílska Catania hostila jednu z ďalších bláznivých, ale náročných súťaží Red Bull Airlines. Na natiahnutých lanách ukázali svoj talent len tí najlepší Taliani.
Catania, fatevi sentire, siete sempre più numerosi. Benvenuti al vostro Red Bull Airlines con questa edizione 10-10-20-15.
Sledujete reláciu Extrém. No, a čo chystáme o týždeň? Len tie najzábavnejšie akcie a ešte viac adrenalínu.
Tour 2015 saw 2 dominant riders. Clinton Moore. Winner in Mexico City. And winner in Athens. And Tom Pages. Winner in Madrid. And winner in Pretoria. But there can only be one champion. The final showdown in Abu Dhabi.
Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Bottom is going to the Bradley start-finish line.
Good news for Australia. He's in the hunt. Bonham holds his breath. Congratulations to Paul Bonham. 2 from 2.
This is nothing. This is now history. It's now a 6-race series for us. Anything can happen.
Bonham raising his game exactly where he needs it. A Genova G. A DNF for Paul Bonham. His race is over. And Matt Hall really does need to push it because it looks like Bonham is the fastest man of the day. Oh, he's lost it. Matt Hall has thrown it away. A 2-second penalty for Matt Hall. But surely now this is Bonham's for the taking. Here comes Bonham. Come on, Bonham. And it is there.
If I want to be the world champion, I've got to start winning.
And that game plan may start right now. Paul Bonham is faster, faster, faster. Is this victory number 4? Paul Bonham for the line. Oh no! He has lost it. Matt Hall has finally won on the Red Bull Air Race World Championship. Will it be Bonham? Will it be Matt Hall? It is Paul Bonham. But Matt Hall takes second place, keeps the championship hopes alive.